Pistol. Niggas already know young, I'm back. Freestyle unit. Yeah, back on the map. Know where I'm at. Pistolville City. Niggas ain't ready for that problem, son. Yeah, young, I'm getting young. I'm so sick, me. Come with all let loose. Niggas out on the streets acting like they got these fools. Got the shot too. You got them tools to bust. These little niggas out here breaking rules, nigga. All because they ain't getting done with, they getting touched. Come on, dog, when I rap, like a ghost by your side. Motherfucker, hold up on the block. Most you niggas ain't ready to commit a homicide. Come on, dog, what you wanna do then, nigga? You got the Bible, yeah. Alright, this nigga gon' see me start fire. Spot shots, nigga. I told boy niggas on time up. Come on, dog, you know I'm ready to destroy this motherfucking planet. Come on, dog, goddamn it. Come on, dog, I'm hot, young, when I'm still standing. This niggas think it's a game like I'm town lies. Freestyle unit, you know my rap, boy. Turning red like the skies that I rap it. Burning flame. These niggas like rabbits, motherfucker, hold up, son. You smell that propane. Stop playing, motherfucker, hold up in that tank. Me and my niggas ready to launch nuclear missiles to blow this whole game away. Like Judgment Day, they still judge me when I see it in my face. Me mugging, yeah, I'm a mean thug, man. Take your dreams and I take it like a slug, man, like with no hug, man. Motherfucker with the slug that I'm busting with that steel thing. You still think I'm playing, you still think this motherfucking life's a game. Until that death, that you know that life is about to come to an end. Your good days is dead, motherfucker. You know how I do real rapping. Hillside champion. Come on, boy, what you saying, motherfucker? I'm still standing. Haha, still a nigga see me still struggling. I don't give a fuck about nothing. That's why I'm still me mugging. Yeah, say I'm a mean thug, man. Come on, dog. That nigga rapping the beats like a blood again. With the don't be signs with my hand, it's my life, nigga. That's is all. I ain't no game banger, but I will bang the trigger. Y'all already know, son. Still dangerous. Little pistol in the game, son. Y'all already know these little niggas think they slick. They think they beat it, they gonna change this. Motherfucker, you gotta recognize before you start thinking like you can't become famous. Motherfucker, you wanna become a witness, young. Do the game, son. You already know they target. In my motherfucking sight that I'm about to just eliminate. Start to put you in the closet like a skeleton, motherfucker. Yeah, boy, it's that time. I can't wait. You already know when that day come around, it's me a special day. Come on, son, little nigga, son. Yeah, I'ma call your motherfucking face with this special too. Put out when the guns pistol, you already know, son. Yeah, the nigga with an attitude is running loose. Guns in both of my shoes, just because you little niggas think I ain't got them. Strapped all day, motherfuckers come around, son. Niggas need the doctors. Then you adopt this. Little niggas soaked up. Little niggas come around with the helicopters and helichoppers. A whole bunch of them motherfuckers, son, by the shore, son. Yeah, young, just top this. Niggas soaked up, knocked down like down the game, son. Yeah, fuck your dollars. Nigga, burn the money. Like burning your flesh, motherfucker. Come around, son. You see me, young. Niggas always something. Burning in blankets. Wrap these motherfuckers up, young. They start stinking. Smell like flies and shit. Come around, young, telling lies again. Lie like kids. But talking about you the realest. Talking about y'all niggas out there keep it 100. Come on, dog. Little niggas, come on, dog, with the stillest. Come on, dog, yeah, with your woman. She ain't nothing. But motherfucker like you, done, yeah, 100. With the guns, yeah, nigga, that's all I want, kid. Yeah, nigga, with this music shit. Come around, young, you still abusing kid. Come on, dog, you think this shit is funny? You staring at me like I can't take your life, young. Like you wanna think I'm gonna take your motherfucking money? That's what they trying to do to me. That's why nigga pockets empty. Motherfucker, I'm tired of being nice to these motherfuckers, son. I ain't got no friends or family, bitch. Come around, son. Ain't no but enemies around here, young. Gotta complain about shit. Come on, dog. We're aiming to bust your brain, son. And then I'm out of this bitch. Come on, dog. You know how I do, John. Make it obvious. Come on, son. Hold up, nigga. Get out the closets. How the fuck? What? I'm broke, young. How much this cost, kid? Everything, young. Fuck freedom. Y'all already know, son, you know how I do with the powers of me. Little niggas out there, son. Yeah, y'all gotta get them. start doing it, nigga. Hey yo, little niggas out here, thinks the game. I ain't playing with none of these motherfuckers, young. Can't believe this shit, young. So watch that DC type shit downstairs, nigga. Hey yo, fuck DC too, nigga. I don't rap no one. I rap my own game when I rap number guns. You already know, son, you know what's problem, young. You know when that shit come, that death is following. Death is always calling your motherfuckers out there, son. Just call them all in, young. Everybody grab the burners. Grab the guns, son. Let's start this war. Let's get ready, son, to settle it all. Let's get ready, young. Sit your bitch ass down on that floor. Let's get ready for battle, son. Yeah, y'all like DC versus Baltimore. Come on, dog, you know how I do. Spit the game, son, like I do in the score. These little niggas don't get it, son. When I was outside, bro, in the straight up poor. Come on, dog, little niggas out there, son. They didn't give a fuck, young. Leave them slaughtered. They like it was freezing like a motherfucker, young, with that ice. Yeah, that winter. I swear on my motherfucking soul. If it was feel like it feel right now, son, I would've got cold as a motherfucker on someone, on some people. Catch them in the darkness, son. You would not be around anymore, son. Yeah, y'all see it so sequel. Yeah, this shit is so evil. It's whatever, young, cause they ain't treat me evil. Treat me fair, none of that. Treat me unfair, alright. I don't care about none of that bullshit. Come on, son, I'ma get them back. Yeah, I swear, on the second round, nigga, that's gonna be the final chapter. Motherfucker come around, dog, find your bitch ass dead and give me something wrapped up. Dang. Told these motherfuckers how I do. Hillside dancing, little pistol return back to number 5, nigga. Ready to take a live, nigga. Niggas think it's a game. We the game, yo, the son. We the game, we the verses. We the new chapter with the little nigga game. Talking about God again. Talking about bitches, the goddess. Come on, dog, y'all motherfuckers out there, sluts. Come on, round, son. Come on, acting like you doing something, counting dollars, you want your money. Let me just send it, son. You little dumb, yeah. Come on, round, young. See you in hell, son. Feeling like it's so funny. Just so sunny. Hey, yo, son, when you looking at me, are you looking like you want beef? I'm ready for whatever. Little motherfuckers come around, son. You know, young, get the calculator. Add the game up that they owe me. I'ma send so much bitches. Keep it extended, son. Yeah, young. Look at these lizards. Keep licking their lips. Licking that shit like this, son. Like you licking so much dicks. Look at these bitches out there, son. Show their little tits. Come on, son. Even if they big. I don't give a fuck, son. Yeah, I'm so sick-minded with it. Come on, son. Like a predator. Motherfucker hooked up in the game, son. I'm about to come at you. Black lives don't matter. I'm about to fuck some niggas up. You already know these little niggas around here, son. I'm about to show you that I'm gonna get you, son. Like some more crackers. Come around, come adapt with us. Come on, son. You already know, son. You strapped the bus. Little niggas always on my nuts. You already see got gangs in the hood, young. Like they can't touch. The boy little pistol untouchable, son. I told you, didn't I? I punch these motherfuckers, young. I'm gonna have to make them fall. Skinny young nigga, young. I go that hard, young. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Do what I do in the block. Yeah, nigga. You start doing it.